Can run from 3 batteries, and I check current 0.5 amps. It can run from 3.6 volts, nickel cadmium, and for that is connector. Nice filter. Clean side goes into the hole, and dirty side has some dust. And here is the thing. So that's the model, serial 2011. Now the on button works. This light goes on for a short time, and display does not start. And this hole, it is the speaker. We have serial numbers. Pass cell is quite familiar. It is the same separation between mirrors, 14.5 centimeters. This photodiode is single pass for high concentration, and this is output from multipass. The chip is mounted here with a collimator, and this is reference photodiode. There is a gas cell under the reference photodiode for laser finding the line. There's I179, K179. This text input line goes to the filter, and from filter it goes to the multipass cell. From multipass cell output it goes to a pump and then exit. And the pump has red and black wire. And there is something more. They are serial port interface. Circuit board, such marking. Wire connectors. So this is charger, 3 wires. And here is also red wire. Wires go to the bottom plate. Reference cell unmounting base. Here is one more screw place. Great effort to remove the cell. First the screw was hard to undo, and then there were 2 hidden screws, and here one more. 2 wires go to the buzzer and other 2 go to the pump. Board, it has many fuses, and fuses are different. Smallest fuse 50 milliamps. This was 3.3 volt for processor. This is back side of the circuit. Smart with X is open. This fuse goes to 5 volt regulator. Each position is towards the center of circuit board. The positive terminal goes through a fuse and inductor to the red wire. Charging plus goes through a fuse and 2 diodes in series and to the outermost connector. Charging minus goes to the this connector outermost. This side we can see that these 2 pins are connected together. Fuse value 1.6 amps. To remove the cell, 1 screw could be opened. Here is one more fuse, electronic fuse. External power, switched on, current 0.1 amp, very small. After soldering fresh fuse, screen started to work. Get some life. Consumption 0.2 amps. .26 volts for processor, 5.26 volts for everything, but here is 0.88 volts and should be 4.6 volts in other board. And this chip looks different, looks like melted. Other chips look fresh. And this circuit is 0.5 ohms in series with inductance. Was repair 250 milliamps instead of 200 because I did not have. Looks promising. Current consumption 0.4 amps. The wire to the multipass cell output resistor of the amplifiers now needs to be AC coupled or the scope cannot take it. Calibration gas from Severin 10 ppm CH4. It is pressure 7 bars and it is manual button which should show flow. Here is bad connection, but it is possible to stop the pump when tight. Now we'll calibrate. You get a small bump. Inspection before closing. I can see my fuse down there. Quite ingenious thing to put rubber O-ring under the screw. It allows for thermal expansion. Filter was not airtight, screwed. Now everything is airtight. The motor stops. Now put gas. $57, $58. I think lithium battery could be used. 4.2 volts. Should be within the range. Another meter. No serial number. Another gas bottle. When it's full, 12 bar. From GAZOMAT. 34 liters, 34 bar. Test with sewer gas 2 ppm. It is room. 10 ppm. Sewer gas. And it's smelling actually. A little bit less than 3 ppm. Because it's open. Here get a new record, 16 ppm. Drag across the hole did not help to increase the concentration. From compost, negative result, nothing. So we made explosive mixture from a bag. It is 5.7% gas. 5.7% gas, it is explosive. Let's see how we can get rid of it. %, not explosive anymore. And what we have here, 6000 ppm, half percent, 5000 ppm, half percent. So it will take probably some time to recover. Yeah, now it is recovering. Maybe it is not outgassing, but we have in the room some methane. Oh, it is feeling methane leak in the room. Cool, this was enough to increase content in the room by 1 ppm. I moved out of the room into a big hole and concentration 2 ppm. Big site now, I have 2 detectors.